3 young boys vanish over Thanksgiving weekend in 2010. For more than 15 years, their fate remained a mystery that haunted a small Michigan town. Families, authorities, and communities waited for answers. And now, just weeks before John Skelton's scheduled release from prison, he has been charged with their murder. This is the story of Andrew, Alexander, and Tanner Skelton, a story of tragedy, suspicion, and shocking new revelations that could finally bring justice. Welcome to Echoes of Crimes, where we uncover the darkest mysteries, the most shocking crimes, and the chilling truths that hide in plain sight. From cold cases and unsolved mysteries to the crimes making headlines right now, nothing is off limits. Every detail, every twist, every chilling clue, we bring it all to light. So lock your doors, dim the lights, and get ready, because what you're about to hear may keep you up at night. Andrew, 9, Alexander, 7, and Tanner, 5, were beloved sons with a bright future ahead. They were supposed to spend Thanksgiving with their father, John Skelton, and return the next day to their mother. But the boys never returned. Searches were launched immediately, involving police, volunteers, and the community, but no trace of the boys was ever found. In 2011, John Skelton pleaded no contest to unlawful imprisonment for not returning his sons to their mother. Sentenced to 10 to 15 years, authorities later uncovered disturbing evidence in his home: a noose, severed appliance cords, and a Bible with cryptic passages circled. He also claimed to have given the boys to an underground sanctuary, though no evidence ever supported this. Neighbors recalled odd behaviors. Skelton frequently disappeared for hours, sometimes days, and showed an unusual obsession with survivalist techniques and online research into ways to harm others. This was a man already on law enforcement's radar long before the murder charges. For the next 15 years, the disappearance haunted the town of Morenci. The boy's mother, Tanya Zuvers, lived in a constant state of uncertainty and fear. Friends, neighbors, and community members held vigils and searched tirelessly, holding out hope for answers that never came. March 2025 marked a turning point. The boys were legally declared dead at their mother's request, but the most shocking update came in November 2025. Weeks before John Skelton's scheduled release from prison, he was charged with 3 counts of murder and 3 counts of evidence tampering. Bond, a staggering $60 million. This case, now decades old, suddenly exploded back into public attention. Prosecutors argue they now have enough evidence, circumstantial and digital, to finally bring justice. Court documents reveal chilling details. Investigators say Skelton searched online for methods to kill a person in the days leading up to the boy's disappearance. He also misled authorities repeatedly over the years. The lack of bodies makes this a no-body murder case, one of the most challenging types of homicide investigations. Yet authorities are confident the circumstantial evidence is strong. Authorities also note suspicious behavior prior to the disappearance. Multiple attempts to mislead family members, conflicting stories, and evidence that suggests premeditation. These factors, combined with Skelton's digital footprint, form the backbone of the prosecution's case. For Tanya Zuvers, the pain is immeasurable. In a public statement, she said, 15 long years. We ask that the investigation be allowed to proceed thoroughly, so that the truth may finally come to light. Friends of the family echo this sentiment, demanding justice and answers. No-body murder cases are notoriously difficult. Prosecutors must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that a homicide occurred and that the accused is responsible. In this case, much depends on digital records, witness testimony, and patterns of suspicious behavior. Every detail, from the Bible passages to the online searches, could become pivotal in court. The Skelton Brothers case is more than a single family tragedy. It highlights the dangers of custody conflicts, the long-term trauma caused by missing children, and the evolving role of digital evidence in solving crimes. For communities, it's a reminder of the fragility of trust, and for parents, a chilling lesson in vigilance. The coming months will determine the course of this case. Preliminary hearings will set the stage, discovery will unveil the prosecution's strategy, and a potential trial could last months. Legal experts suggest that while no-body cases are complex, circumstantial and digital evidence could be enough to secure a conviction. If you found this story compelling, like this video and subscribe for more faceless true crime investigations. Comment below with your thoughts. Do you think John Skelton will be convicted without a body? Share this video to raise awareness, and if you have credible information, contact Michigan State Police or the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. For more than 15 years, the fate of the Skelton brothers remained a haunting mystery. With murder charges now filed against their father, a new chapter begins. Will justice finally be served? Only time will tell.